welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another DIY time with Sleeknotch, and today we are going to be making a lapel flower. Now for this flower, the materials we are going to be needing to make this flower is our ribbon. I'm just showing you on the screen the wine ribbon and the lilac ribbon. So we'll be using the lilac for this purpose of this tutorial. You can find out other materials I used for this video in the description box below. And if you have a video suggestion for me, please feel free to send me an email. Check the description box for more details on that. And now let's go straight into the video for today. I will just be taking you through the process of making this flower. Thank you guys for staying with me to this time. Thank you for joining this family. And yeah, I thank you so much for your subscription, for your likes and your views. I really do appreciate.
We are going ahead with a glue at the edge of the ribbon to make our first fold. After folding this first one, it should look like a triangle when you turn it upside down. Then we're still going to go ahead to fold it again. Now folding it the second time is going to give us the center point where we are going to be making our flowers round. So we are going to get the center point from this second fold now, and then we'll go ahead to start folding it round this center point. Please note that when you're folding it, don't let your ribbon cover the pointed part. That's going to serve as our centerpiece, and it's going to give it that round design. When making this round fold, just add a little gum to it so you won't make your work look rough. Just a little gum is okay to make it stick together. So we're going to be making this first round fold 3 times. Then from there we'll continue making the flower. Just keep watching and follow the process gradually and see how I continued after the 3rd fold. So this is how you continue after the 3rd fold. You just place your hand inside so you can use your hand to support the flower, and then you continue making your folds round it. And this time you will see the design coming out already. By the time you do it like 2 to 3 times, you see the design coming out already. Now you can make it as big as you want, and mind you can use any other fabric to make this design. I'll be showing you in my next video how to use a satin fabric to make designs like this that you can do with ribbons. You can also use satin fabrics to do them, and any other fabric that is not stretching. So you can use satin fabric or any other fabric that is not stretching to make designs like this. I'll be showing you how to do that in my next video. If you've watched to this point, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit on your subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and also give this video a thumbs up if it was useful, and please leave a comment for me and share this video. Thank you so much. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share, and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. I will be seeing you in my next video. Bye bye.